Good day, people. Welcome to another PAPERWERKS video. Today we're going to talk about inquiries. I had a few people say, hey, are you still doing inquiries? So I'm doing a quick video on one we did recently, a couple of months ago. Pretty fast, I guess you could say, rapid removal. First, I want to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel. Just hit the thumbs up. If you don't like the video, you can hit the thumbs down or take your thumbs up away. If you want to see more videos of our work or information, you can go to our channel here, or you can go to PAPERWERKS Credit, and that's works with a WERKS. You can see that down in the description below. Here we worked with a client here. I think we started in early February. Sent out a dispute for this particular person. They were trying to clear up their credit and they were concerned about inquiries. So on this one, as you can see, is an Equifax report dated February 11th. So I'm going to jump to, I think on this one they received a dispute on the 8th of February. So I'm going to jump to the 20th of February. As you can see, the inquiries, 3 were removed. Now, the difference here is this person had a paid monitoring report. So you can't see the factual because I believe there were 10 more inquiries we'll see in a second. Let's jump to the 28th. So, no, I'm sorry, it was 12 more inquiries. So this person from the 11th to the 28th removed 15 inquiries. Actually, the other 12 were removed on the 20th, but this is not a paid monitoring service, so we can't see the factual. So what I want to do is jump over to their TransUnion real quick. Here we're on the 28th, but I want to go back to the previous date on the 11th. On the 11th, they had 12 inquiries. Let's jump to the 20th. And on the 20th, they had 3 inquiries. So you can see they were removed pretty quickly. I want to say it's about 9 days after they got it in the system. I want to look at something else on the 11th. And you can see it was 21 accounts. And then on the 20th, there were 18. So I'm not going to get into the accounts on this particular one. This one is for inquiries. So within, I guess you could say, 11 days, they had 24 inquiries removed. So some people ask me about getting their inquiries removed. So this is a Credit Karma report. So the information doesn't show up as quick. However, you can see or find out, if the work is being done, because you can update this weekly without paying. You also would set up a free Experian.com report. And sometimes we do specials, 10 or more inquiries. We may do a special 400. Doesn't matter if you have 50, 60, 100 inquiries. We'll get them all removed for 400. So check the videos, check the website, paperworkscredit.com. We may do that special every other month. The other thing, like I said, these can be removed quickly. I've removed them as quick as maybe 3 days. Typically, if you're not trying to expedite or get a special speedy removal, you're usually looking at about 30 to 45 days. So anyway, that's it. Again, like I said, check out our channel, see other videos of our work. information, check out the website. There's always some specials, trade lines, inquiry removal, deleting any type of negative account. We do funding, so check us out. Have a good day.